Did you know about the role of cybersecurity in manufacturing operations? Let us look more into it. The crucial role of cybersecurity in modern manufacturing operations. Cyber resilience in manufacturing is as vital as preventing data breaches, demanding both strong cybersecurity measures and comprehensive risk management. Modern safety in manufacturing extends beyond physical protection to encompass robust cybersecurity for interconnected IT, IoT, and OT systems. Just as workers wear protective gear to prevent accidents, right-sized cybersecurity practices can significantly mitigate cyber risks and minimize disruptions. Cyber incidents are on the rise. 28% of mid-market firms faced data breaches, and 30% encountered ransomware attacks in the past year. Protecting critical information and intellectual property from cyber threats offers manufacturers a competitive edge by ensuring operational continuity. Weak cybersecurity in OT systems threatens not only data but also essential industrial operations, risking production and profitability. Implementing zero trust, network segmentation, and cloud security strategies are crucial for fortifying a company's cybersecurity posture. Subscribe and follow Sectrio to learn more about cyber attacks around the world.